In front of me is AGM H6 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to click on Display. Now scroll again and this time tap on Display Size and Text available here. Last but not least, operate this slider under Font Size to adjust it and check out Preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!